Thank you for the opportunity to present our work titled Premium Discrete Community-Led HIV Services as a Strategy for Differentiated Care, Evaluating the Luxor Model by Lovers Health. I am Nathan, and I'll be walking you through how the Luxor model addresses stigma-related barriers in HIV service, assessed through a differentiated and client-centered approach. I have no relevant disclosure. The Philippines continues to face a growing HIV epidemic. Daily new cases increased from 6 in 2011 to 50 in 2023. As of the first quarter of this year, 57 cases of HIV are diagnosed per day. Alarmingly, more than 75% of these infections are among people under 35 years old, and nearly half are among those aged 15 to 24 years old. Despite progress in treatment and prevention, stigma and discrimination, especially among MSM and transgender individuals, remains key barriers to testing and care. Many individuals, particularly from key populations, delay or avoid assessing HIV services due to fear of being judged, confidentiality breaches, or social repercussions. This leads to late diagnosis and ongoing transmission. These systemic and psychosocial barriers need new, responsive strategies beyond traditional clinic-based models. This feedback from various communities are what we use to inform the strategies on how to reach out to them, ensuring that we service providers are easy to reach. To respond to these gaps, Lovers have established LuxCare in 2020, a premium discrete and community-led concierge medicines model. It reimagines HIV service delivery through private client-centered care integrated into broader wellness services. Concierge medicine is defined to it being centered on key principles such as giving priority to quality and individualized care, managing smaller group of patients to ensure improved service accessibility, and nurturing enhanced continuity in personalized treatment. The goal is simple: create an inclusive, stigma-free experience that make clients feel safe, respected, and empowered. This presentation evaluates the effectiveness of LuxCare model in providing differentiated HIV services, improving healthcare engagement, and reducing stigma-related barriers. This model is intentionally discrete and client-centered, catering to individuals who may not feel comfortable walking into a public health clinic, whether due to personal privacy, social visibility, or previous negative experiences with the healthcare system. What makes LuxCare unique is how it blends medical, sexual health, and wellness services into a seamless, holistic experience. Client can receive HIV testing, STI screening, treatment initiation, and maintenance, all while also accessing aesthetic services or gender-affirming care if desired. The integration normalizes HIV care, making it just one component of overall wellness. By positioning itself as a premium and inclusive service, LuxCare successfully attracts clients who would otherwise be missed, those who might delay testing or avoid clinics entirely. And importantly, it does so a community-led approach, ensuring care is both professional and deeply empathetic. LuxCare is not just a new model or a new model service delivery, it's a new way of thinking about what respectful, accessible, and client-driven HIV care can look like. LuxCare is grounded in the principles of differentiated service delivery, which means tailoring HIV services to clients' unique needs and preferences. Instead of one-size-fits-all approach, LuxCare offers discrete, appointment-based care in a setting that feels more like a wellness space than a clinic. This helps reduce stigma and encourage clients, especially those who are privacy conscious, to engage in care. By integrating HIV testing with wellness and gender-affirming services, LuxCare normalizes the experience and make it more accessible, especially for transgender individuals. It's about meeting people where they are, designing care around their lives, not the other way around. A defining strength of LuxCare model is that community-led and peer-driven, a deliberate strategy to build trust and improve care. Instead of relying solely on a clinical staff, LuxCare engaged trained community health workers from same key populations they serve. This makes interactions more relatable, empathetic, and respectful. Clients aren't just receiving care, they're connecting with someone who understands their life experiences. This helps reduce fear and anxiety, especially in high stigma environment. It also improves retention as clients are more likely to return and stay engaged when they feel seen, understood, and supported. For privacy-conscious clients, having care providers from a trusted affirming community make its real difference. Since the model started operating in 2020, LuxCare has served over 15,400 clients, demonstrating a demand for private and confidential healthcare options. Providing services in a confidential and private setting reduces stigma-related hesitation and encourages testing and treatment uptake, which enhances accessibility. 9,728 individuals tested for HIV with a reactivity rate of 7.14%. Of those, almost 95% of reactive cases were successfully linked to treatment. These numbers reflect both demand and effectiveness, particularly in a discrete client-controlled setting. Integrated services help reduce the perception that HIV clinics are only for sick people. By combining HIV care with aesthetic and gender-affirming services, LuxCare attracts clients who might otherwise avoid HIV testing. For transgender individuals, this integration reinforces a sense of safety and belonging. LuxCare demonstrates that premium client-centered services can significantly improve HIV service uptake, engagement, and treatment retention. More importantly, it challenges the stigma surrounding the HIV by reframing care as part of overall wellness, not a separate or shameful need. The LuxCare model demonstrates that discrete client-centered service delivery can effectively overcome the stigma-related barriers to HIV care. By integrating HIV services within the broader package of sexual health and aesthetic care, the initiative fosters a more inclusive and normalized approach to healthcare. We recommend scaling up discrete, integrated models like LuxCare in other high-stigma settings. Future research should examine long-term outcomes and explore replication in other cities or countries with similar barriers. Finally, differentiated service delivery must continue evolving to meet clients where they are physically, emotionally, and socially. Thank you for your attentions. We acknowledge the entire Love Yourself and LuxCare team and the brave clients who help shape and trust this model. Maraming salamat po.